She said, "Celine, can you talk to them? I don't understand what they say." Let me power you within. Hi, kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share with you 3 tips on mindfulness. Over my 20-plus year career, I have received a number of phone calls and became a translator. Not a French one, but one between the IT department and the business. It's not uncommon they don't understand each other. And that's why I have always considered myself as a bridge between those two worlds. More often than not, I was delivering IT solutions to business stakeholders. So here are 3 tips for ICT or information communication technology to better deliver and communicate with your business stakeholders. Number 1, put yourself in their shoes when you communicate with them by using general English language they actually understand. It seems obvious, but it's not obvious from my experience. Talking a too technical language to a non-technical person guarantees things are getting lost in translation. Number 2, understand your audience and what matters the most to them, not to you in IT. They bring different skills, knowledge, and perspective, and often may not understand what they ask for is complex in IT. Number 3, whatever bad history there has been between technology and business stakeholders, hit reset and don't bring old battles on the table unless it is relevant. It has always been interesting for me to hear Kiwis saying, "You and this English peer are friendly, but you're French." My view is as if a 100-year-old war between 2 countries had any bearing on mutual respect and working in partnership. I actually love the English accent, just don't tell my family, okay? I must say that I heard as many IT people criticizing the business people than business people criticizing IT people. With one open and honest conversation, you can get back onto mutual respect and good partnership ground. When I start in an organization, the first thing I do is take a look at the organization values and ensure I embody them. If there are conflicts, I always use these values to communicate and restore peace in my projects. Imagine experiencing a mindfulness workshop specifically gathered for ICT leaders for you to create stronger partnerships.